Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video I want to talk about some of the ways where you can become eligible for Canadian permanent residence if you are 35 years of age or more. Uh, we have seen a lot of candidates when their age become 34, 35, 38, their score is getting lower day by day, and then they are not even that competitive range when they can compete with the young candidates for the express entry and other programs for the Canadian permanent residence. But there are so many other programs that through which you guys can become eligible. In this video I want to talk about some of those programs, so hopefully some of these programs might fit in your category also. First of all, I want to talk about the regular program that's called a visitor visa, right? We have helped so many candidates who are here on visitor visa in Canada when their express entry score is around 400. Some of them have little bit lower, little bit higher, but not exactly what is required to be invited for ITA, right? If you are here on visitor visa in Canada, then you will be eligible to find a suitable job. You can convert your visitor visa into work permit, and work permit then eventually lead you to get more points. When you have approved LMIA, you will get additional 50 points arranged employment, and then you can also become eligible for permanent residence. And after a year of experience here in Canada, you'll get some additional point for Canadian work experience, and there you will having more points to be eligible for permanent residence. And another way you guys can become eligible if you are 35 plus or more, the next category is student visa. If you are planning to increase your points, student visa can also help you to increase your points. That will give you some points for your study, and after your study you will get a postgrad work permit, will give you Canadian experience points also for your express entry or any other file you have put it into place. So with the study visa plus the postgrad work permit, you will come to Canada, you will work here, you will gain some experience, you will also gain some point for Canadian education and work experience. On the other hand, with this program, if one of your partner or your spouse, they can also be eligible for open work permit. Since the day you will get your study permit, one can study, another one can start working, and vice versa. We also look at the client's file, like which candidate we can make a principal applicant, and other one will be on the dependent visa for open work permit. Your kids can also come here in Canada if they are school age kids below high school, and they can also study for free here in Canada. Next category which I want to talk about, the labor market impact assessment. So LMIA is another way for you to come to Canada and start working on a work permit. LMIA arrange employment can give you additional 50 points for your express entry profile. Plus, if you are in a higher category, some categories can give you up to additional 200 points under the LMIA program. So if you are losing some points because of your age, so LMI can also be a helpful agent for you to gain some more points. Again, if with those 50 points you are still shy of some points, then you have to work here in Canada for a year or so. Then you will get some additional point for Canadian work experience, through which you can become eligible for to have enough point for express entry to get invited for permanent residence. But with the work permit, you can also be eligible under certain categories for the PNP. Depends upon which province you are. A lot of provinces have their own programs, so under which you can become eligible for permanent residence of Canada. Next uh, category through which you can become eligible for permanent residence in Canada is an owner operator LMIA. This is a investor visa. Owner operator LMIA will lead you to permanent residence, but depends upon how you will file your case. There are certain categories through which under owner operator you will get additional 50 points, or you can also get 200 additional points for your express entry profile. So now it all depends upon what kind of business you will choose and how you will send your file for the Service Canada to review it. So you can either get 200 or 50 points depending on your case. This owner operator LMI program is a federal program, and you can start your program in any province. There is a no minimum net worth requirement and no minimum investment required in this category. But again, if you are buying some business here, then you must have to think certain things like your operating expenses, your rent, your other expenses which you will incur day-to-day basis while running your business. So I get a lot of calls on owner operator LMIs. Hey, I have 10-15,000 savings, so can I start my own business? So in those cases, like it's no, because with 10-15,000 it's not feasible. But again, you can also start your business from scratch, like your brand new idea you can start it here, or you can buy a running business here in Canada. Now another category for you to become eligible for permanent residence if you are 35 plus is investor visas. Again, all provinces have a different set of criteria. BC has one base program, one is their pilot program for investor category. Ontario has a different program, Quebec has different program, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Alberta. They're all having a different kind of investment levels and investment categories. So through which you can become eligible for permanent residence. So again, this will give you additional points. You will be eligible after those investments through PNP. Some provinces you can be eligible directly, so you don't need to wait for some time. So there are different businesses, different criteria, different regional pilot programs through which you can be eligible for permanent residence with your family in Canada. So the next category is provincial nomination program, which are non-express entry program. If you are not eligible under express entry, you can also apply for non-express entry PNP program like SINP. They have two different criteria, right? One for express entry, one for their in-demand occupation list. Same, there is a Nova Scotia. So you have Ontario also have their own program. So there are various kinds of program, and we have to think all those program according to the need, according to your credential. Like every client is a different one. Sometime I get an email, hey, give me all the detail about this program. In email I cannot write you like a 45-minute thing or an hour thing which we can discuss over the phone according to your situation. In an email I can simply give you a link, you can go over website and search, and if you really interested, you have to spend some time and money, so through which you will be able to narrow down a program under your specific needs. Then we can guide you better. Otherwise, if you want a general one, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, there are a lot of things on websites, so you guys can simply search that one and get the idea from there. Another program that you can be eligible after 35 for a permanent residence, they are caregiver and home support workers. So in this criteria, if you have 2 years of work experience within Canada, because this is a pilot program now, so you have 2 years of work experience under any of these caregiver and health support worker, you can be eligible after 2 years for direct PR. There is a no very low requirement for IELTS score in here, and very low requirement for the education one. If you have a diploma in any of those healthcare studies or LPN or RN or anything like that, you will become eligible after 2 years. This is a pilot program and it's a very fast for the permanent resident. Another programs through which you can become eligible after 35 years of age to become a permanent resident are the pilot programs for Canada, like a regional pilot program. RNIP Ontario has started their own. BC has his own pilot programs, and if we look at time to time, lot of provincial nomination like AIPP program, Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. So there are a lot of pilot programs. They keep coming and going. So you have to keep your eye on all those programs. And I always suggest my clients to be proactive, not reactive. If you become proactive, you never know when the score will go down, and if you are in the pool, you will get picked up. If you are still thinking and thinking and thinking, and do not do anything in your file or on your case, so then you will simply be keep on waiting. And that's what I tell always all my clients, right? If you don't do anything, then do not expect anything that there will be a result. Then the things come in and the things go away and you're still in the line and waiting. Hey, hopefully this thing will happen again. Most of the time those things never happen again. So these are the few options if you are 35 plus and want to become Canadian permanent resident. So there are some options for you. You can become permanent residents. Yes, we do help our clients to file their cases. We are a immigration consultancy, full-size immigration consultancy, through which we can file any kind of case on your behalf with the government of Canada. All of our members are members of ICCRC in good standing, and yes, if you want a consultation, we do provide a consultation. We do charge money for consultation? Yes. In this way, we do not want, like, I don't want to receive 200, 300 calls a day just for one or two questions. But yes, if you are a serious one, that's why we charge money, to find the seriousness and then give you a tailor need program according to your need, your credentials. That's why we charge consultation fees. So if you need any kind of help, just you can, on the contact us number given below in the description, you can call us or send us an email. Yes, we'll definitely get back to you. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up regarding Canadian immigration. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.